and gentlemen, good evening. This evening, 14 persons from Aruba and Curaçao will receive their Master of Science degree in Finance Management from the UNA and the Erasmus University. You have made it to the finish line after 1.5 years of hard work, combining your full-time jobs and studies to obtain your degree. I know this is not easy to do, but you prove that if you are focused and determined, you will achieve your goal in life. The cooperation between the UNA and the Erasmus University shows us that our university also ranks high among foreign universities and that working together is the best way. Congratulations on obtaining your degree and that the knowledge received be put to good use in your careers. I thank you for your attention.
Una mochila con dirección de na temple. Na turta con pagalinha pa passar fiesta essa linha. Si voy yo tomate grande patento un compadre chile. Patata papuna y cigarilla blanco una cana. Papilón de suco,
torta florín,
pacoba banana,
torta florín,
sitin guaranaba,
torta florín,
hay pindana saco, aroco bonchi, pipite coffee, aguacate verde,
torta florín,
apelsina grande,
torta florín,
alta fromentón, cibollo largo, cocole brandy,
torta florín,
milón cupatía,
torta florín.
A renowned diplomat from Ghana, the 7th Secretary General of the United Nations, and the 2001 Nobel Peace Prize winner, said, "Knowledge is power, information is liberating, education is the premise of progress in every society and in every." On behalf of all the students, I hereby thank all the families, wives, spouses, husbands, children, parents, grandparents, and friends that have supported all the students during these last 18 months. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts. I can only hope that because of my speech today, the words teamwork, hard work, determination, discipline, fun, change, and innovation reverberates through your minds. Thank you for the honor of allowing me to address you, and congratulations to the Masters of Financial Management class of year 1.